Cool Katie in the house, and today we're going to talk about thermostats.
This is the Honeywell Focus Pro 6000, which sounds like a type of spaceship. It can be programmed to schedule specific settings for days of the week or an amount of time, like if you go on vacation. It has a backlit display, which makes it easy to see at any time of day, making it perfect to sneak and crank up the heat without having to turn on the hallway light and wake up your husband. The Carrier Edge Pro has tons of features, including a password protection function, which my husband could use to stop me from turning on the heater in the middle of the night. It offers a UV light and filter service reminder and random start capability to promote energy efficiency and proper care of your HVAC units. Being the nerd that I am, I'm most obsessed with the Carrier Core thermostat. It's Wi-Fi enabled for smartphone and tablet use if you have any Android or Apple product. It has a full color touchscreen with multiple programming options, including the one-button touch and go feature. And for the energy conscious money savers, you can pull detailed energy reports and tips for savings each month.
Thanks so much for watching How To Homeowner. As always, stay cool, my friends.